Hey, if you want to be prepared for just about any emergency, you gotta have one of these. This is an air horn. This incredibly powerful air horn packs 3.5 ounces, giving you a longer lasting blast than those other tiny ones. That means more reliable sound when you need it. And trust me, you'll be heard if you push that button. This blast can be heard up to a half a mile away. It's also Coast Guard approved for boats up to 65 feet long. Look, safety comes first on my boat. I hope it comes first on your boat as well. I want to be prepared for any emergency. If I need help and my boat's disabled, someone's gonna hear my call for help. So this truly is a must-have part of your marine safety. I put this air horn right after having life jackets on the boat. The horn on my boat was disabled last year. It didn't work anymore, so I had to have a replacement. And these air horns have just been the perfect thing for me. And it's obviously legal when the game warden stops to check on things in your boat. If you've got an air horn, you've got a horn. So from camping, hiking, scaring off animals, to the big touchdowns, and of course, safety on your boat, this little horn has got you covered.